We were discussing about the keyword research, right? How many of you got a chance to practice?
Yeah, I did a practice on the same day.
Okay.
Yeah.
The next step would be categorization of the keywords. Not sorry, no, yeah, grouping of the keywords, not categorization. Categorization is done by us in the previous class. Do you all remember?
Sir, actually, yeah, I'm sorry for interrupting. I have added, I edited that all details, the keywords and all on my Google search, that SEO, and I paid 1,100 rupees. Then suddenly in 10 minutes it got vanished.
You should have kept your campaigns paused.
Okay.
Okay, so don't run any campaigns. Don't enable any campaigns
Okay.
until you have learned the way of
Oh,
executing it.
okay. Okay. Done.
Payment method, but that can be bypassed. There is a way that you can proceed it without.
Able to do that. That's what I otherwise I recharge with 500 rupees and then wanted
You
to
recharged
check.
it?
No, I wanted to do
Yeah,
it
last
front of
time.
you so that you know I don't
Yeah,
do
yeah.
anything.
So last time we cracked it in one of the class. We cracked it without you adding. See, but you will be
I'm
able
not
to
able
use.
to do it on whatever you showed last time. I tried so much and I left it.
You won't be able to do it. Okay, no worries. Okay. Uh, Maybe.
After the class, you can I can recharge. Then
Okay.
you can.
We'll do that. We'll do that once we are done with the class today. You don't have to recharge. Or maybe if one of you can share the screen and show me where are you struggling, why are you struggling. So we'll try to fix that.
I'll do it after class.
You will do it after class. Okay. But then you all understood, right, last class? What did we do in the last class?
Steps are understood, but until I don't do practically, I don't know.
Yes. So the class is also uploaded. You all can take a look at it once again and try to replicate the same. Okay. So today, what we'll do is we will start allocating the keywords, and then we'll start writing the. Basically, we'll get started with the optimization of the website. Okay. So I actually lost the data. I tried mistakenly. I saved it as a .csv.
So can I get some paper? I forgot that notepad where I was trying that. I left there only. I think on the desk.
Not yeah. Please go and get it. There are notebooks over there. You could have bought one. Okay. Yeah.
Steps quickly.
We'll have to do that again. Okay. Anyways.
Just
we'll
revision and how we.
Yeah. I'll show it to you all. Okay. So last time, you all remember that we signed up an account on Google Ads, correct? And then you all should be able to. So once the payment method is added, there is a way to bypass that as well. You can eliminate it. Okay. After that, you have to come to the tools. Under the tools, there will be a keyword planner. Tools, and when you click on the keyword planner, you get two options: discover new keywords, get search volume, and forecast. Right? So this tool is helping you to understand how people are searching your business on internet, on Google mainly, right? And how many people are searching using that term, correct? So now today let's try it for one of the business. Which business are we taking as an example today? Tattoo studio.
Yes.
Tattoo studio in Bangalore. I'll change this to India. Is that fine? Or we'll go with only Bangalore?
We go with Bangalore, no, sir, because.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. We're going with only Bangalore. Okay. Just click on get results.
again you have to keep adding them.
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Adding them.
So now we have inputted only two keywords and it gave us nearly 1100 keywords. These are called as keywords. These are all called as keywords. So tattoo studio in Bangalore, 320 people search every month. And tattoo studio, 480 people. Tattoo shops near me, 10,000 people. Tattoo shop, 1600 people. You see that? Tattoo studio near me, piercing studio near me, correct? Good tattoo shops near me, correct? So let's input few more. So here Google is suggesting few more terms to us. Let's add these as well. Best tattoo shop in Bangalore, yeah. And where is body art? Here, body art is very generic, but still we'll add it, right? And then tattoo shop. So you can add up to 10 this way,
Hmm.
up to
Keep
10
generating
keywords.
more.
Yes.
So you got 2,370.
So body piercing, I'll add that as well.
So what do you mean by exclude adult ideas?
Yeah, yeah. There will be keyword something related to adult as well.
Okay.
Okay. Automatically that you can exclude. If you think any of these keywords contains something like that, you can exclude those.
Okay.
Okay. Body jewelry. Just tattoo shop. So this will go beyond 4,000 now. It's already, yeah, 4,338 keywords.
And what is that of 4356 keyword ideas?
One second. Okay.
What do you mean by of 4356? What is the difference between
Showing 4338 or 4356. So it has eliminated. So there are some adult keywords, excluded adult keywords. Okay. Few keywords, right? Any questions here? You all got it right? Tattoo studio shop. Get results. Body modifications, I don't know how much relevant it is. It's not at all relevant, I believe. Okay, but anyways, you got 4,656 keywords, correct? So you can use this download button and you can download this data, right? CSV. So last time we did all of these activities for pest control, right? Mr. Prashant is not here today.
It's not coming.
I don't know information.
Generally, maybe on time.
He will be much early. Browser issue. I might have to reload the screen. We are going to input the keywords again. We just refresh the screen. We have reloaded it. Let me do that again. Okay. Discover new keywords. Tattoo shop near me. See, you can think of only few search terms. Correct? You cannot really think how people are searching on the internet, and that's when this tool is going to be useful for you. Yeah. So tattoo parlors. let's add. Piercing studios, let's add.
Tattoo shop.
Body art studios, let's add that as well. How many you got? 3,283 keywords. Then piercing. Okay. So usually what we do is we download this data or whatever the number 4,200 you see, right? We download this and again we pick some keywords. We hand pick some keywords which has good numbers of search volume as well as relevant to your business. And then we again input. We can feed up to 10 keywords. We again input and download the data, right? So let me download this for now. Okay. Click on download CSV. So I'm downloading this. Okay. Okay. So last time what did we do after downloading this data? We started identifying the patterns. Correct? Do you all remember that? Right? So one is patterns. Okay. What are patterns? And another one is category. Correct? What are patterns? Anybody here? Patterns are words or terms in the keyword which indicates the intention or objective of the end user. So it is just tattoo. And now you have no clue what are they looking for. Tattoo could be somebody looking for tattoo studio or tattoo meaning, correct? Or tattoo definition, correct? It can be anything or tattoo sticker. The moment they add next to this tattoo, by tattoo, they are probably looking for a sticker. And if they add studio next to it, they are looking for a studio. I'll take another example, it becomes easier. Mobile, mobile, mobile. If somebody is typing on Google mobile, what are they looking for? It can be anything, mobile meaning, mobile definition, or it can be anything. The moment they add buy, it becomes their intention or objective is to buy a mobile phone, correct? And when they add order next to it, it still indicates that they are looking for to purchase a mobile phone, correct? Shop, buy, order, online, correct? And now if they are adding meaning, definition, it indicates that they are looking for the meaning or definition of the mobile, correct? And simply somebody typing mobile, what are they basically expecting? They must be expecting anything, right? And now you can understand that by seeing the results on the Google. If you are typing just mobile and if it is showing Flipkart, Amazon, 90% or 99% of the people who are typing mobile must be probably looking for to buy the mobile phone only, but they are just lazy. They are not typing the complete word, correct? And now when you type mobile, if it is showing Wikipedia page, a majority of them are looking for information about mobile. Mobile in a sense, they're trying to understand the definition or meaning or information about the mobile. You understand now? So any word in the keyword, any term or any word in the keyword which is indicating the intention or objective of the end user is a pattern. Correct? So now here what is the pattern here? Here something like people looking for, one second. Yeah, people looking for shop is a near me is a looking for a physical place. They want to visit the tattoo studio and want to get a tattoo done, right? So near, I'll mark all of this as near me. Okay, so are you all getting this, how I'm categorizing it? Remove this filter and pick only blanks from this list I don't want these to be overwritten again, near me to be overwritten again. So I'm picking only blanks, right? And next thing what I'll do, I'll try Studio. On Windows, it becomes super easy to handle the shortcuts here.
It is written as Intonation Studio. I'm hearing first time.
Yeah, we'll see the categories that goes under category. Okay, so maybe somebody must be searching as shop as well. Okay, all these are shop. Right, this is what we did in the last class, correct? Hello, hello, Ram. I'll call you back, Ram. I'm in the meeting. I'll call you back in a while. Yeah, bye. Okay, so and then next, what are the other patterns? I'll remove this filter. I'll get to see parlors. Parlor. 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 Okay. So many people are using parlor word. Are you all getting this?
Yes.
Yeah. Now art. Art is not necessarily they are looking for your studio. They are simply searching.
Body.
See now there is something called as tattoo artist. So artist is a good thing.
But then artist can be anything.
See now, see a lot of people just understands they need artists to draw the apply the tattoo on their body. Correct?
Okay.
Correct. They are searching tattoo artist. They will call and you will ask come to the studio or you will tell the place where to come. Correct? Done. They want artists. Basically, when people search for tattoo studio or tattoo shop or tattoo parlor, still it is done by artist only. Correct? Just their way of searching is changing. Correct? So this is also a very good business intent keyword. If you are a tattoo studio, this is really a good keyword. Not many will be focusing on this. You can run ads on these kinds of keywords as well. World tattoo supplies, tattoo supply store. See, all these are stores are people are looking for this easily erasable tattoos. People apply and remove it, right?
Temporary.
Yeah. So again, so this way you categorize, you continue to find all the terms in here. So supplies, correct?
Piercing.
Paint,
Become a category.
piercing, uh, tattoo piercing, no, it comes under pattern also. So this way you continue to find more, right? Whatever you think is related to, whatever can be a pattern, you mark it, okay? So out of this 4,000 keyword, how many did we mark now? 3,000 are marked already. Only 1,145 left. Okay. So people search saloon, tattoo salon. They think tattoos
Tattoo
are
barber.
okay. Saloon very few. Okay. So I'll remove. You can continue to categorize this way, right? So if you are not able to categorize them, you will be simply marking them as generic. See, body art is generic. There is no intention associated. If somebody is searching body art studio, body art parlor, body art near me, right? There is an intention. This is very generic. So rest of the keywords which all doesn't have. So once you are done with the categorization of the patterns, you continue doing this activity further. We have marked 3,000 keywords already. Leftover is another 1,000. You continue doing it. If you couldn't categorize, see, it's not that you will be picking only business related keywords. Even if there is something called as definition, meaning, where, why, you mark everything, and leftover will be generic, right? So now I will remove this. I'll show you how to mark category. So here, since it is only tattoo, you might not find many categories. So anyways, I'll just first find tatto, tattoo. Okay, so they're all looking for tattoos is the category. So if you have lots of fruits, apple, mango, banana, right, you will start categorizing the products. Category is basically a different bifurcation of the products or services, but that is not telling you anything about the intention. Just segregation of different types of products, right? Now category is here: body, ear, right? Body art. People put, I'll just put body for now. Then next, nose. See, all this can be category: ear piercing, nose piercing, correct? Or you try finding more. Here you may not find many categories. So pest control, we found many categories. Or if it was some other business, we would have found many categories. If we were doing research for a training institute, we would have found patterns as training institute, near me, classes, online, correct? All this would have become patterns, and category would have been digital marketing training, Java training, React training, Next.js training, Node.js training. The course's name will be the category, correct? Clear? Right? So last week we did not discuss about these things, right? So average monthly searches. So now this tool is giving you the recent 12-month searches, and you will be also able to understand which is the best month or season for your product or service. For example, if you had downloaded keywords related to fruits, you might have seen mango searched significantly in high numbers during May and June. Maybe starting from April, May, June, July. These 3 to 4 months you would have found significantly high amount of searches, correct? And watermelon maybe December, January, February, March, or January, February, March, correct? So it is clearly understandable. These all are seasonal, correct? But when it comes to services like this, it's difficult to understand. Fruits we all know we eat, correct? And we all know from our childhood, correct? But it's very difficult to understand how is the domain or industry or search volumes changing for this business. Maybe somebody who are in this industry or domain for a very long time will be able to understand the business owners themselves. So for example, people may not prefer to get the piercing work or tattoo work done in the winter seasons because healing might take more time comparatively, right? I don't know, it can be the other way around also. But as a business owner, tattoo studio owner will understand these things, but as a digital marketer, how will you understand? So this tool is going to help you understand. Look at this. During December, the number of searches are significantly high, right? So now here during March, there are good number of searches comparatively. No other month, what I said is true now. See, ear piercing near me, which is this is 22, right? Yeah, piercing studio near me. Piercing, people are preferring that in the month of March. That is summer, correct? So there are some services, so you will be able to understand all of these things as well. And now what you see here is the average of the recent 12 months. The number 1300 is average of the recent 12 months, right? These are monthly searches. And 3 months, in the recent 3 months, the number of searches increased by 450 percentage. And in the last 1 year, as this year compared to the previous year, 175% increase in usage of this term, piercing studios on Google. People are typing piercing studio on Google has increased by 175% as compared to the last year, and as compared to the recent 3 months, it has increased by 450%. It's not increase always, there will be decrease as well. See, 33% drop in best piercing places near me, right? 100% drop best places to get ears pierced near me, right? Clear? And then there is something called as competition. So this is Google Ads competition. So competition, if it is marked as high, it indicates a lot of people are willing to show ads on. A lot of people, businesses are running ads on Google, competing to show their ads. It's an auction. On Google, it's an auction. Auction is, anybody here knows what is an auction?
Auction is for selling, for sale. Basically, from some amount to bidding.
Bidding, right? So there's a different word in different languages, right? No? What is it called in Hindi?
Jua. No, UI is betting. That's what someone said. Betting.
Auction is different. Bank comes and puts your property on auction. They'll say who will buy this at 50 lakhs and people will start bidding higher price 60, 70. In Telugu it is Velam Pata. Kannada also it's Tamil also Velam I guess.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Girvi is something they say.
Huh?
Girvi is different.
Okay.
Girvi is you
Okay, but you all understood, right? So now businesses will be competing to show up the ads here. So for example, if I'm typing digital marketing training institute in Bangalore, you will see a couple of businesses will be competing to show up their ad. Say Digital Cora, upskillrocket.co.in, and then Digital Academy 360, right? So business are competing to show up, and now if this guy says I'll pay, so now let's say if I click on this, Google will charge 100 rupees to this person. Let's assume. Now if this person is willing to show up in the top, he bids at 102 rupees or 101 or 110.
all ads sponsored.
Right? These are all sponsored and this is based on the auction. But Google not really gives importance only to the money. It also considers a couple of other factors or criteria which we will discuss in the upcoming classes when we discuss Google Ads. Okay. Okay. Coming back. Where were we? You understood, right? So competition high indicates too many people are bidding on it. Medium indicates medium level competition and low is low level, probably nobody must be bidding, right? So competition index value, any number between 0 to 33 is considered to be as. So now they have put the text here and for the same number, range can be given. 0 to 33 is low competition and 34 to 66 is medium competition.
What is the next percentage?
Number 0 to 100, right?
So how that is derived? What is
There are three ranges, right? Medium, low, high. Three ranges, right? 100 divided by 3. 66, 33.33 basically, and 66.66 and 100. Correct? So that's the number. See now here one wherever it is less than 33, it is all low index, and 35 above 33 to up to 66 is medium. Correct? So now you will be keen to know. So I here in this example I said if somebody clicks on this, Google is charging X amount and we don't know that X amount. It could be 100, 500, 200, 50 rupees, 60 rupees. Now Google is giving information about how much it's going to charge. So top of page bid low range. See Google is charging you 8.76 rupees when somebody is clicking and when probably nobody is competing also. When the competition, when nobody, right, this is low bid. Top of page bid, top of page bid low range. Okay. So there are low and high ranges in bidding. Okay.
No, I didn't get this. This
Which one
this
you
35% or that 35, the first line.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
This one? Okay.
Yeah.
So I told this last time also, now also, and again I'm repeating. So low is, see there has to be some number, right?
No sense.
Somebody,
Yeah.
What is the pass marks in our academics? 35, right? Correct? Correct?
Yes.
So same way here, a number anything between 0 to 33 is considered to be as a low. Right? Look at this, 22 low, 20 low, 16 low, 1 low, 12 low, 31 low, and the moment it is crossing 33, it is medium. You are no more below average student. You are now average students. Correct? So this is just a number. See now how are you defining low, medium and high? In the score of 0 to 100, somebody who is scoring up to 33 are considered to be as low. Correct? Ideally speaking,
Yes.
our academics also has to follow the same. Somebody simply kept 35 and 35 has become a passing mark. Is there any reason why it is 35 only? Out of 100, they couldn't calculate it properly. 33.33, for some reason, somebody made it 35. At that moment, on his mind that he just told 35 will be the passing marks. Correct. So here it is properly Up to 33 it's low. Any number, right? Competition index, look
Yeah.
at this. 33 to 34 to 66 is medium.
In the
Yeah.
competition index only, if you see eternal tattooing, it is showing 100%.
Yeah. Yeah, competition will be high in some terms. People must be bidding on it.
Competition on high.
Too many people are running ads for this keyword. Too many people are competing to show ads for this keyword.
Eternal tattooing.
Yes.
And tunnel piercing is zero means nobody is interested in
Bidding on Google. Okay. There are too many manufacturers to manufacture this and sell this, I guess, and all of them are competing on the Google, and that's why the competition is high. Okay. So now I mentioned this is an auction, correct? So when it is an auction, definitely people, it's not going to be high always, correct? In the auction, the prices will be high and low, correct? So now here, top of the page bid low range, it's 8.76, and the highest high range, top of page bid highest, it can go up to 24 rupees. You can get a click at 8.76 rupees. So for example, a bank has put a property. Yes, it's rough estimate. So for example, bank has put a property in auction. It starts at 50 lakhs, right? And now based on the number of people participating in the auction, it can go up to 1 crore also, correct? And now the price can be settled if there are nobody in the auction. The price can be at 50 lakhs or 70 lakhs. If based on the auction, based on number of people participating in the auction, it can go up to 1 crore or maybe higher also, it depends, right? So same way based on the historical data. So it is telling that the lowest that we have charged is 8.76 rupees per click and the highest we have charged is 24.14 rupees. Okay. One second. Hello. Hello.
No, that is. I tried, I was not able to show myself. I just want to download after download.
Is it visible for all of you? If it is too far. Okay. So now this data is all useful when you are running Google Ads. You will be able to understand how much roughly. So now average. So it might cost 16.45 rupees. Correct? And to get 100 clicks, it's going to cost you now 1600 rupees. Correct? Clear?
So what is impression average of that?
No.
Yeah, got it.
This is ad impression. There is no data here. This will be given in the estimates. We haven't done estimates. It's empty here.
But by default, in this Excel, this will be there.
Yes. This data will be there. Okay.
Got it.
So now if you have to get 100 clicks, so it's going to cost you 16.45 into 100. It is 1645. So now I'll do the same, right? For all the keywords, right? I'll eliminate whichever is and whichever doesn't have data. Okay, you see here, see based on the keywords, your expenses can also spike up now, correct, or can be low, correct. If you're running ads for all of these keywords, look at this. So for some keywords, it's going up to 8,457 to get 100 clicks. So now, are these 100 people who have visited your website, all of them going to make business with you? All of them are going to purchase your product or service? No. So it varies. It varies. So now out of 100, so I will start naming this accordingly. Average CPC. CPC is cost per click, right? visits, visits, and this is cost per 100 clicks. This is, we discussed this while we discuss on Google Ads, but then for simply I'm doing it for now, right? Are you all understanding these three fields,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. And now, out of this 100, each keyword will have a different number, different kind of conversion rates. Tattoo shop near me can get some conversions, but tattoo studio may not get, or tattoo parlors may get. Correct? And tattoo near me may not get any kind of conversions because they must be looking for stickers. We don't know really, right? Now it varies. Out of 100, now if 10 people is making business with you here, or 6, 9, 20, right? These are conversions, which is usually measured this way: 10 divided by 100 into percentages conversion rate. This is called as conversion rate. Okay, 10 percentage is the conversion rate, and for this it's 6 percentage, it's 9, 20 percentage, right? So for each keyword, the conversion rate varies. We are going to discuss this in depth. This is of no use at this moment. While we discuss Google Ads, we discuss all of this in depth, right? Up to here, you understood, right?
Yeah.
Right, these are all again the recent 12-month searches. Clear? Okay. So now, when you are doing SEO, none of this data is going to be of much use for you. The only thing that you have to understand is the average monthly searches, right? Maybe out of this, you will be also able to understand, okay, high indicates it's completely a business intent keyword. High indicates it could be probably a business intent keyword, right? This data is going to be super useful in your SEO. Now I understand showing my website for tattoo shops near me is super important as compared to the top tattoo artist near me, which has got only 720 searches. Correct? So somebody is typing buy, mobile phone purchase online near me, something like that, which has got only 100 searches, and buy mobile phone has 1 lakh searches every month. 1 lakh people are typing, and if you are available for such term, you will make a lot of business. Correct?
So basically, a meta title should be with this.
We will discuss that. It's not about it should be with this, right? So now based on this data, what we will do is we'll start grouping the keywords, right? So this data is of not that useful as compared to the top pest control data we were dealing with. It's not that not useful, it's mostly the same thing, right? So here if you look at this, it's all about tattoo. There are not too many categories, correct? But then based on the patterns also you can launch the pages. There is no cost related term, there is no price related term, right? So what you can do out of this data is, from this my understanding is, you have to build a website, and on this website you need to put a page which speaks about tattoos, correct? Now I also see piercing or ear piercing or maybe nose piercing. So from this I understand I can also put a dedicated page which speaks about nose piercing, correct? So now what will I do? I'll put nose, and I'll mark the category as nose. Whether it is nose or ear or maybe something else, you might have not found all the patterns for all of the keywords, but then ear near me is coming, so I'll have to put contains ear and does not contain near. Contains ear and does not contain ear. So there is no ear keyword at all.
There is.
There is, so I will remove this. Okay. These are all related to ear. Okay. You see this tattoo shop for ear piercing. So people know tattoo shops are also doing ear piercing, right? All these are related to ear. So they are not related to tattoo. They are mainly related to ear, which also contain tattoo in it, right? So I can launch a website. Now this website will have multiple web pages, each page speaking about a specific category, right? Now for ear also you have something: piercing, near me, shop, studio, correct? Right? So my keywords So I can probably sort this by volume. Data Z2A, top of ear piercing is the most used. Fear tattoo studio. Fear is also there. We have to eliminate fear as well. How do you eliminate fear now? Near you were able does not contain near. How do you do this now? How do you tackle this?
Same fear content.
How will you do? If you put fear, it near will go away. Correct. There are not multiple, only two are there. Correct. Only two filters are available.
Contains fear, does not contain ear. But again, ear will be there itself. Yes.
So in this scenario, did you all understand the problem? I could eliminate only near, but there could be fear, there could be dear, there could be anything else as such. Correct. What? How do you eliminate now?
And or we have an option.
This will be simply you are telling that pick the keywords which contains either ear or near. Previous condition is contains
only
ear.
Contains fear, you can only do that. Don't take anything else.
So when you are in this situation, you can replicate this data in a new column and again apply filter there as well. So for example, you can copy paste all of this exactly here. Since I have applied filters, I am not going to copy paste. So I'll simply get this data here and I will apply the filter. Does not contain fear. Fear is gone now. Okay. And if you find deer also, you can put again.
Does not contain fear.
It should be or.
But where will you find how many fear are there?
No, let's assume that there are multiple, and if you have to eliminate, I'm just focusing on how do you eliminate it. Okay. So if you are eliminating, how will you eliminate? I'm just showing that. Okay. So anyways, I'll remove this also. Okay. So now based on the categorization you do, your category information would have helped you to understand that too many people searching for ear or nose or body or tattoo, correct? Or hand or leg or whatsoever.
So
right?
why there is an infinity sign?
So 0 divided by something. Right. So now average CPC, how did we calculate? So now average is calculated using this data. This is empty, and that's why it is error.
No, there it is a 3-month average and year-on-year change.
No. So this is a formula. Average CPC is a formula. Average of J and K. There is no data in J and K. That's why it is.
No, I'm asking here. 3 months. 3-month column. There is a sign of infinity there.
Oh yeah. So infinity is year on year change. So when will it be infinity? No searches to searches. Earlier 0 searches, there are no searches at all, and now if there are any searches, it's showing the obviously the year on year change. See, year on year change is calculated based on the previous number, correct? Last year 10 searches and this year 20 searches indicates 100%. Last year 0 searches and this time 1 search or 10 search or 100 search, it's infinity. Year on year change. It has no proper calculation, right? Ideally speaking, if you apply formulas, it will be an error. Okay. 0 divided by 1 is infinity, right?
Infinity is 0 divided by 1.
Correct. So now that is what is happening. 0 divided by any number is infinity, not necessarily 1. 0 divided by any number. How do you calculate the percentage change? 0 divided by only. Correct. That's when you get infinity. Okay. Okay. So now based on the categories, so you have got a year page. So from this, my understanding is I am going to. So now your website. So your website, this page can be, why is this coming home now? I think you have done some changes or you have assigned this page like this. It is redirecting to home. Okay. So now see, look at this, it is showing home for seeing Bangalore. Correct. Now you can plan to optimize this page for specific set of keywords. Right. like, see, now you can launch all these separate pages also. Detailing tattoo, pet tattoo, people must be searching. Yeah, so people must be searching tattoos pet tattoo design, pet tattoo artist near me. I think they want to tattoo on pet only. Okay, on them the pet.
Hmm.
There is an optimization method. Now you have to plan to show this web page for specific set of keywords, but not for everything related to your business. So everything related to your business can be 10,000 keywords or 20,000 keywords, correct? Will you be able to put all the 20,000 keywords on this page and expect this page to show up for 20,000 keywords? It doesn't. Even if you put all 10,000 keywords on this page, people would still see on Google home only. See now, I'll show it to you. People will see only home Foxy in Bangalore, and you can rewrite this to probably best tattoo studio in Bangalore, HSR layout, correct? You cannot put no size, years, everything, right? Because this has a character limit.
So whatever there is a high keyword.
It is as simple as this. Let's say there are 5,000 people standing here, and all of these 5,000 people have to be carried to other place or city or somewhere else through bus. Bus can accommodate only 50 people, correct? Now, if all these people have to be carried in one go, you need 5,000 divided to 50 is going to be 100 buses, correct? Same way, if you have those many keywords to be targeted to rank on Google, you need number of web pages, correct? Let's assume each page is optimized for 50 keywords and you have 5,000 keywords. Now you will have to launch at least 100 pages, correct? And each page will have its own title and description. So if I have to show you any other website, look at this. Digital Marketing Training Institute in Bangalore, Enterprise Resource Planning Service. See, I could have put all of these keywords onto this page only, right? One single page. I can put it on the page, but title will be about only specific product or service. Even if I am selling 100 varieties of fruits and vegetables, I cannot put all the vegetables names here. I cannot write all 100 plus varieties of fruits and vegetables and expect this to show up on Google, because your competitor must have put a page is showing only buy apples online, and people tend to click on that result, not your website. Though you have put 100 plus varieties of fruits and vegetables, so public is expecting you to show, as a business, you show what they are looking for, what they are expecting for, right? And this being the reason, you have to launch a new page: apple, mango, banana, grapes, and each of those pages will be speaking explicitly about that fruits. That's how you will be able to rank your website for all of those fruits related searches happening on the Google. Clear?
How to add the page? No?
How to?
Add the page. That means like in website.
You have to learn website changes now, doing the changes on the website. If you are clapping, it's not going to get added. You are not there, how to add the pages class?
No, sir, I know that we need to go for the pages and then add new page. That is
Yes.
it, right?
Add new page and start writing that page as like this is a grape page or banana page, and start uploading, putting images related to banana, text related to banana, right? So now the objective of the keyword research is to understand how your business is being searched on Google, and then categorize or segregate the keywords accordingly, which is going to help you to understand what kind of pages have to be launched on the website. See, by default, your thought process was such that I will have a page and I will put images. That's what here this studio has done. Foxy Inc. Foxy Inc. knows that their business, people will look for tattoos like this: religious tattoos, cover up tattoo, name tattoo, neck tattoo, correct? But there was no optimization concept at all. Their understanding was I have to educate people and I'm educating everybody. And this is fairly a good activity and this is enough. But when you plan to show up your website for all these kinds of searches, despite you putting all of these terms on this page will not show up on the Google. Even if it is shows up on the Google, it is not showing up detailing tattoo or pet tattoo. Look at this, it is showing only home. Or even if this business owner rewrites this to a better version, tattoo studio near me or tattoo studio, this will still not contain pet tattoo or devil tattoo or evil tattoo or whatsoever, right? Name tattoo, right? So since the only problem here is this cannot accommodate all the terms used on the Google, hence we are grouping the terms and we are creating new pages for every specific set of terms, for every category of terms. Apple, all keywords, buy Apple, order Apple, Apple shopping, online Apple, whatsoever, all will be grouped and optimized for Apple page. You will be used on Apple
Sir,
page. Yeah.
yeah. Sir, what is this which is showing below the Foxy in Bangalore? The number, it is 1148.
1148 words of text is there on your website, and your website has
Oh,
zero traffic, and your website has zero visitors.
zero visitors. Okay.
Number of exact keywords. So now this is not a keyword, right? And hence it is showing zero. So if I put tattoo, maybe let me show it to you. Digital Marketing Training Institute in Bangalore. See, on this page, Digital Marketing Training Institute, you've used 3 times. And it has close to 2000 words of text put on the page, and they get 2355 visitors every month, traffic, right? And Digital Marketing Training Institute in Bangalore is not at all used on this page. See, you can see Digital Marketing Training Institute in Bangalore. You will not find it. Control F, Digital Marketing Training Institute in Bangalore. It's there. What is this? Maybe this is not from Google, by the way. This is some plugin that I am using, Keyword Surfer, right? And we don't know how accurately this is working. So number of exact words, that is how many times Digital Marketing Training Institute in Bangalore was used on this page, and this is the wrong data. Yeah, it is a problem. This is there. Correct. It is not reading it, the information properly. Okay.
So can you go to the Foxy?
Yeah.
These are the categories. Portrait, detailing, pet,
Not necessarily based on the keyword. Yeah, this can be considered as a categories, but better if you go by your keyword data as well.
Okay, now
See, now these categories can be his nomenclatures or terminologies, or public must be using the same terminologies. Correct. So
So
now,
we can do a keyword research for the same thing.
yes. You can input the same portrait tattoos. See, portrait tattoos, detailing tattoo, you might get a lot of searches, but somebody searching portrait tattoo studio near me, you may not have any kind of searches at all. Were we all aware of it that tattoos are called like arm tattoo, pet tattoo? The only default thing that comes to your mind is tattoo studio. Whether I get it done on my arm or chest is a different thing. I don't search, though I want it on my chest, will I search it as chest, tattoo on chest? I'll simply search tattoo studio. When I go there, then I will tell, okay, I want a tattoo on my hand or leg or whatsoever it is, correct? So hence people don't use those terms, and there won't be any such necessity of creating a separate pages. Even if you're creating such pages, it's going to be observers. We discussed, right, observers.
Correct, that's what.
Now,
Whatever category we have
from the business standpoint, from the business perspective, business wants to communicate that they do all these kinds of tattoos. It is important to communicate, and hence they are communicating. But there is no necessity of creating separate pages until unless you find out there are good number of searches on the internet.
Okay.
Right? You cannot decide whether you should be creating separate pages for all of this or to be creating just like that. So go by data. Correct?
So he has created a separate page now for religious tattoo and all these things. No, he just added pictures.
So So I think instead of foxing.com /home, the detailed tattoo and pet tattoo, that can be named it, right?
Correct. So you can do it if there are searches. So even before you do that, you have to Google research, use the key like that. Can you tell me the names?
Arm tattoo.
Wait, let me remove all of this.
When I heard about pet tattoo, I was actually shocked. I thought that they're doing tattoo, pet tattoo.
No.
Religious tattoo. Next tattoo.
No, these will have searches. But religious tattoo near me, this will be the religious tattoo will be there. Arm. Like this, there won't be any searches, I think, definitely. Arm tattoo is there. That's what I told. Pet tattoo is also there. Right? Sleeve tattoos, tattoo sleeve cover, temporary sleeve tattoos.
Sleeve tattoo.
Arm tattoos for men. See, all of this are mostly they are researching for the designs. Arm tattoo for men, girl names, newborn girl names, boy names, right? Something like this. They are researching arm tattoo for men, but they are not really looking for a tattoo shop. But Foxy Ink can write arm tattoos for men, right? And it can show some 20-30 designs on the page. And if you're looking for a tattoo, visit our store. Selling their product or service through information. There can be a blog now. Arm tattoos for men. You can write a heading. The 40 plus best designs arm tattoos for men. Arm tattoo designs. Yes. Yes. Arm tattoos for men. The 20 plus best arm tattoo design ideas for men. You can make a topic and you can start speaking about it. And that's how you get lots of people visiting his web page, and many people will now get to know about Foxy. Now let's say 5,000 people are visiting every year or every month. Out of this, a small percentage might convert to their customers also. Correct? Got it? Hello?
Yeah.
Class lunch. Oh. Understood, right? Mad Rabbit Shark Tank. I don't know what is this. Tattoo arm sleeve, cat tattoo. So cat tattoo, now your artist is sitting in front of computer, in front of customer, and now customer is asking for a cat tattoo, and your artist may search for a cat tattoo and shows, okay, look at this design, which one do you want? Correct? So you can see, you don't have to launch service pages for this, but you can launch blogs. Arm tattoos for women, right? That's this thing you should start publishing as the blog post, right?
So in case now we have done a keyword research, then how we have to optimize this page, like take note that whatever is, as you said, observer and contributor.
So now simply you building a new page, yes, further class. Simply you launching a web page just because you have your own terminology of nomenclature can be an observer. See now there is no use of the page. You are launching an arm tattoo page, but this page is exactly like this, right? But people are expecting it to have designs. Show at least 20-30 designs. That's when it's going to be a useful content for public, correct? Correct? You know, arm tattoo shop near me or arm tattoo parlor, nobody is searching. Correct? And if you are still launching a page, then it becomes observer when it cannot fulfill the end user's purpose. End user's goal is to see design 20, 30 or 50 designs pertaining to it. But if you're launching the arm tattoo page and exactly having the content what end user is looking for, then it can be a contributor. Clear? We'll discuss all of these things in the upcoming classes. Okay? Okay, we'll wind it up for today.